Hello all, in this video I am going to solve question 35 from CBSE Grade 10 Standard Math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/5/3. Question 35. Two water taps together can fill a tank in 8 by 9 hours. The tap of a larger diameter takes 4 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. According to the question, the work to be done is filling a tank. For filling this tank, there are two taps. One is a larger tap and the other one is a smaller tap. Let's assume that the smaller tap takes X hours to fill separately, and by the question, the tap of larger diameter takes 4 hours less than the smaller one. So the time taken by the larger tap to fill separately is X minus 4 hours. The first line of the question says, two water taps together can fill a tank in 8 by 9 hours. That is 80 upon 9 hours. According to this question, three cases have been told. One is filling the tank using only the smaller tap, filling the tank using only the larger tap, and filling the tank by larger plus smaller. Now let's compute the rate of work done in each case. The rate of work done by the smaller tap is 1 upon x. Rate of work done by the larger tap is 1 by x minus 4. The rate of work done when they fill together is 1 upon 80 by 9, which is 9 by 80. Using these three, we can frame one equation, that is 1 upon x plus 1 upon x minus 4. That is, the sum of the individual rates is equal to the rate when they fill it together. Taking LCM, x minus 4 plus x upon x times x minus 4 is 9 upon 80. After expanding and simplifying, we get 9x square minus 196x plus 320 is equal to 0. So this is the equation representing the given situation. We have to solve this equation to get the time taken by the individual taps. Here AC is 320 times 9. For this number, I consider the two factors minus 16 and minus 180. So if I add these two numbers, then I get the middle term minus 196x. So rewriting this equation, we get 9x square minus 180x minus 16x plus 320 equal to 0, which gives us 9x minus 16 times x minus 20 equal to 0. X is equal to 16 upon 9 and x is equal to 20. For x equal to 16 upon 9, time taken by smaller tap is 16 upon 9 hours. Time taken by the larger tap as x minus 4, which is 16 by 9 minus 4, that is minus 20 upon 9 hours. This cannot be considered as time cannot be negative. Therefore, x equal to 16 upon 9 hours is ignored. Next value of x is 20. Time taken by the smaller tap is 20 hours, and from this we get the time taken by the larger tap as x minus 4, which is 20 minus 4, that is 16 hours. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.